Hello all, Yellowstone Tutor welcome you to today's class. Today we are going to talk about the rules of simplification of fraction, division of fraction. On this we will talk about the rules on how to divide fractions. We have tips of dividing fraction. So tips for solving fraction related problem are as follows. Please let's get our pen ready for this. The rules of division is as follows. When we divide two fractions, then we reverse the second fraction by flipping the second fraction to be multiplication. The numerators and denominators, and later simplify. Example 1 on division of fraction. We have 2/3 divide 5/7. We reverse the second fraction, we now have 2/3 multiply 7/5. We have 2 multiplied by 7 and 3 multiplied by 5, and our result is 14/15, and the answer is a proper fraction. Example 2 on division of fraction. We have 3/5 divide 2/3. We reverse the second fraction, we have 3/5 multiply 3/2, it gives us 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. So the result is 9/10. The answer is a proper fraction. Example 3 on division of fractions. We have 2/7 divide 3/2. To reverse the second fraction, we have 2/7 multiply 2/3. Now I have 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 3. We have 4/21. So that implies that the answer is a proper fraction. Example 4 on division of fraction. We have 1/7 divide 4/3. Reverse the second fraction, it becomes 1/7 multiplied 3/4, which gives us 1 multiplied by 3 divided by 7 multiplied by 4. So we have 3/28. Therefore, the answer is a proper fraction. We have some sample questions for you to do and leave your answer in the comment section. First one is 5/8 divide 5/3. 1/9 divide 3/7. And 2/5 divide 5/3. We've come to the end of the class today. I would like to use this opportunity to thank you all for being part of us. And remember, Yellowstone tutors make a difference every time. Thank you very much and stay blessed.